The sail tower is heavily compromised. We have extensive corrosion and the masts are sheared off.
Copy that, pilot. Move in closer to the access hatch.
Ready to engage the clamp.
Copy that. Secure the lift point. We have a slight pressure differential on Sector 4.
The weight confirms structural integrity.
Holding steady at 20 meters. Keep the ascent slow.
Control, this is Recovery 1. Cable Alpha secured to forward cleat. Tension stabilizing at 3-0. Over.
Look at the stress fractures near the bulkhead.
How much time before transport?
Not long. The flooding is extensive. I've got the data recorded. Torque reading is stable at maximum capacity. Confirmed. Load cell green. Pin is secure. Ready for lift.
Check the starboard alignment. We're seeing some drift on the readout.
Roger that. Adjusting the tension now.
Pressure stabilizing, looking good. Check the forward pads.
Pads are clear. Confirmed secure.
The pitting here exceeds tolerance levels.
Copy that. Logging as severe corrosion on Sector 4.
We need a full scan of the sail structure immediately. Look at the spike in copper right at the waterline.
Yes, the iron is heavily depleted there.
We need more samples from this area.
Plate 4 RB is clear. Proceed with the lift sequence.
Copy that. Lifting now.
This corrosion runs deep. The structural integrity is completely compromised.
The hydraulics are fused solid. Restoration isn't feasible.
Yeah, severe damage here. I've tagged it as Unit 4B.
It down. Ready to move it to the crate.
Connection point 4 secure.
We have full isolation. Lift proceeding nominal.
Copy that. Control.
Radiation levels stable.
Slow and steady, Charlie. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Confirming alignment on the south side. Looking good.
Set point reached. Engaging clamps.
Look at the state of this mounting structure.
That's significant degradation. I've captured the image for the report.
Sequence initiated. Confirm shaft alignment. Bay 2.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with extraction.
The corrosion has completely seized the actuator. We need detailed shots for the rebuild assessment.
I'm getting the macro shots. The saltwater damage is significant. Did you log the serial number on the RT-12?
Yes, cross-referenced with the 1982 schematic.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Easy now.
We need more support beams on the starboard side, immediately. Copy that. Sending a team now.
The cylindrical contours are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The restoration is perfect.
Hoist sequence initiated. Maintain alignment on the starboard coupling. Watch the temperature baseline.
Ensure the torque is exactly 75 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Moving to the next valve.
Steady, steady. Perfect. It's seated. I'm securing the pins now.
Torque wrench engaged on bolt 4.
Copy that. We are green for hydraulic test.
Beginning the swing test now.
Clear the line for the main harness.
J22 is connected and torqued.
Confirmed in the system. We are clear to proceed.
Bring it down slowly now, 5 millimeters at a time.
Roger that. Descending 5 millimeters.
Boot sequence initiated on the KG-115.
Encryptor showing green. Security seal confirmed. Handshake complete.
Cross-reference the pressure readings on the tablet now.
Reading stable, engineer.
Excellent. Cycle complete.
Control, confirm alignment on Charlie 7.
Copy. Zulu team. Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with hydraulic lock.
Status report on auxiliary systems.
All green, Captain. Calibration complete. Bring it down another 5 centimeters, slow and steady.
Alignment is green. Engaging locking sequence and initiating automated welding.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on this section. Yes, checking the seam now.
We are within tolerance. Proceed with micro adjustments.
Reading solid green across the array. Systems nominal.
Lower the mast. Ease now. We need full stabilization before we test the array. Final bolt torque to spec, ma'am.
Reading confirmed. Watertight integrity achieved on this section.
Lower by 5 millimeters. Hold it. Green light on alignment, Chief.
We're showing a fluctuation on the main conduit.
Fluctuation cleared. All systems are nominal, Captain. We have full power.
All systems checked and stabilized. Command.
Acknowledged. Initiating sequence 144. We have criticality.
All systems running on reactor power. Steam generators producing power. Turbines spinning at operation.
All systems are green, Admiral. Pressure test past final review.
Final acceptance authorized. It's ready. Outstanding work, engineers. A true achievement.